this is the first sort of episode I have decided. It's because we've been doing so much immigration. I myself has been so workaholic in days and years where I've been doing extreme number of cases, amount of workload that I used to take. I mean, I have a bigger team now in Auckland and Christchurch, but the number of immigration cases that I've done, and still I personally believe that the amount of experience that I hold to get any situation turned around with immigration in New Zealand is immense experience. And I'm also very proud to say that the experienced team that I have, including the team of legal executives, whether it's an admin staff or licensed immigration advisors in Auckland and Christchurch, highly experienced team. I mean, I have to sort of mention the Susan or Rajni Soni or Rimple or Femin or all other people who've been with our company. The amount of wealth of experience that they hold, I mean, it's mind-blowing. I mean, especially for complex situations. Those complex cases could be around your deportation liability notices. It could be around declined cases, ministerial appeals, court appeals, for example. I mean, we have represented a couple of cases recently in the district court, in the IPT tribunal, where the oral hearing was requested, for example, where Susan and Cody has represented people. So what I decided is I really want to showcase the kind of difficult and complex cases that we do every day in our practice. And what I decided is that I wanted to sort of get it out to people in terms of the case blogs and case summaries and case stories. So the first case today that I just want to sort of get it out was Indian family, where the lady, she was on a credential employer work visa and husband was with her. Somehow the visa ran out. She's been in New Zealand for 8 years with a young baby. The baby was around 4 to 5 months. The visa ran out, visa got declined. Some shady immigration advisor, a lawyer in Auckland, did not apply for the visa at all. Gave them a fake edited visa copy. No fault of their own. Immigration New Zealand has raided their house early morning, 6 o'clock, and they have detained and arrested the lady and the husband. However, the lady really begged to the immigration officers that they just delivered the baby. She is still in a postpartum stage where looking after the baby, need to feed the baby, cannot really be detained. And the immigration officer said, okay, well, we understand the situation, but you have to come every month and give attendance at the local police station. So that has happened. And then obviously the lady wanted to appeal to the minister, hired somebody, another lawyer, again dodgy, didn't do anything, really no action. And then somehow they heard about us. They came to us. The case was represented by Susan, where we have emailed the compliance officer, negotiated more time. Guys, immigration is all about negotiation. When you end up in a complex situation, whether it's employers getting into criminal investigation, whether it's an employees, or whether it's a compliance matter. So we negotiated with Immigration New Zealand for more time, around 1 month or so, got the time to prepare a ministerial appeal, got the ministerial appeal done successfully, and then obviously they didn't get the visa straight away, but then the minister said that, look, let them exit the country, no ban of 5 years since they overstayed, and clean slate. And the minister said that the gentleman who had an offer letter from an employer, he is eligible to apply for the visa as soon as he touch India. So he exited the country and we are in the process of doing a work visa for him. Hopefully we'll get the family back. But amount of complexity, amount of pressure we had in the situation is immense. And you need experienced set of people and people who enjoy the profession and love the profession like us to get your side with Immigration New Zealand. Only those situations can be unturned, basically. And this was a major win for us because they were not banned, they were not deported. They were just asked to leave and said, hey, apply for the work visa once you are out of New Zealand, because you can legally apply for the work visa. Within New Zealand, they were not able to apply for the work visa because they didn't have a valid visa at all. So that was the case. So very, very successful outcome. The people were happy, we were happy. And finally, they came to us after a few lawyers and we got the job done. So if you are looking for sort of immigration advice on a complex matters, then we are here to help you. We will understand. We will charge our fee, but you will get the outcome, what we promised you.